Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 21 of the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity Examination Preparation Series. This lecture starts domain 5, which covers the basic concepts and the advanced concepts of cryptography and hashing. Overview. We will cover day-to-day security tasks, configuration, patch and change management, cryptography and hashing, cryptography attacks, data handling, classification, labeling, retention and disposal, administrative controls, security awareness training, and social engineering. Basics of cryptography. Cryptography, the history is Spartan Skytail says a cipher. Purposes. Cryptography is basically done to satisfy the following purposes, that is, confidentiality, integrity, and authentication. Confidentiality refers to the fact to keep the secrets a secret. Integrity. It ensures that data is unaltered. Authentication. It verifies subjects and provides non-repudiation. Cryptography definitions. Cryptology. Science of securing communications is known as cryptology. Cryptography. Creating hidden messages. Cryptanalysis. Breaking encrypted communication. Cipher. Cryptographic algorithm. Plain text or clear text. It is an encrypted message. Ciphertext. It is an encrypted message. Encryption. Converting plain text to ciphertext. Decryption. Converting ciphertext to plain text. Historical ciphers. Previously, there were used some historical ciphers, namely book cipher. It uses well-known text as the key. Running key cipher. It uses an agreed-upon phrase as the key. Symmetric versus asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption. These are fast, strong per bit types of encryption. The disadvantages include they need a pre-shared key complex with many users. Asymmetric encryption. Pros. No pre-shared key is needed, so it has simpler key management. Cons. Slower, weaker per bit. Hybrid encryption. It uses asymmetric encryption to share a symmetric key. It combines security of asymmetric with speed of symmetric. Asymmetric encryption details. Asymmetric encryption, public key encryption. Two keys, public key and private key. Public key is publicly available and is used to encrypt messages to you. Private key, it is kept safe, used to decrypt messages. Hashing. Hash functions ensure data integrity. Variable length plaintext hashed into fixed length hash. Collisions. Rare but possible when different data produces the same hash. Example with great expectations. Cryptographic attacks. Cryptographic attacks, some of them are steal the key. It is the easiest method. Recover key from a device. Brute force, try every possible key. Key stretching, adds delay to password verification. Man in the middle or MIT man. Intercepts and alters communication. Side channel attacks, uses physical data like CPU cycles. Security audit logs. Centralized logging, it ensures automated, secure, limited admin access. Problems. Logs not regularly reviewed. Logs not retained long enough. Logs not standardized. Logs not prioritized. Logs only reviewed for negative events. Administrative controls. Policies, procedures, and guidelines. These are essential for maintaining security posture. Security awareness training. Educate employees on security policies and procedures. Regular training sessions to keep awareness high. Social engineering. Manipulating individuals to divulge confidential information. Critical threat to security requires vigilance and training. Summary. We discussed day-to-day security tasks, cryptography, history, purposes, and attacks, importance of hashing for integrity, effective management of security audit logs, role of administrative controls, and security awareness training. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.